Welcome back to my stream. We are going to review this project called Caldera launch ARA ecosystem week featuring CandyDrop, VIP, BountyDrop, Wildfire, Simple Earn events. Gate will list era for spot and futures trading on July 17, which means yesterday. Reward our users CandyDrop, VIP, BountyDrop, Alpha, and Simple Earn will launch Caldera according to the timeline below. Join now and experience it. We got CandyDrop, Gates airdrop reward platform. I teamed up with Caldera for an ecosystem week event. Launch of CandyDrop episode 15. CandyDrop X Caldera. Trade to share in 571,429 era super airdrop. So the event runs from July 17, 2025 to July 27th, 2025. Hello, learn and grow. Welcome to my stream. And we got Alpha Gate, Alpha listed era. Ready to share 142,857 era airdrops. Event period is July 18 to July 22nd. Simple Earn will launch an 7-day fixed term product on July 18, 2025, offering a 500% APR, only 1,400,000 available. First come, first served basis. BountyDrop. Gate Wallet BountyDrop is one stop hub that gathers the most popular airdrop projects, offering users a fast track entry into interactive tasks. New airdrop launch, Caldera share 142,857 air. Event period is July 18 to July 17, August 17. The VIP exclusive trading competition is about to kick off. In this first phase, grab a share a massive 400,000 USDT prize pool. An ultra generous token ladder prize pool awaits you. Share. Climb the ranks now and reach the peak of honor. Event period TBD. I don't know what that means. And project introduction. A Caldera is the Internet of Rollups platform that's making crypto faster, cheaper, and more interconnected than ever before. Imagine a world of infinite blockchains connected seamlessly where you can move assets, trade, and interact with apps across chains without friction. That's the future Caldera is building. Caldera's ecosystem secures 400 million in total value and has preceded 850 million transactions across 25 million unique addresses, surpassing even leading L2's like Scroll and ZKS Sync in terms of unique addresses. This growth underscores Caldera's ability to handle real-world demand while maintaining reliability and efficiency. And not there might be okay, these are not important. Let's click on this CandyDrop as you guys can see. I'm gonna share the tasks with you guys. CandyDrop. Let's first talk about what is CandyDrop. How to join first. Select project. Select the project you are interested in and complete interactive task to earn candy. Second is complete interactive tasks. The more tasks you complete, the more candy you can earn, and the better your chances of getting airdrop rewards will be. Please wait for airdrop, check the reward distribution status, and wait for the airdrop. What is CandyDrop? CandyDrop is an airdrop campaign launched by Gate. Users can earn candies by completing tasks such as participating in trading, depositing, inviting friends, and more. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you earn, increasing your chances of winning airdrop rewards. How to earn candies? You can earn candies by completing designated tasks in CandyDrop. Task types include trading, specific tokens, deposits, and more. Each completed task will grant you a certain amount of candies. How to verify the completion of the tasks? After completing a task, the platform will automatically verify it without requiring manual validation. You will see a prompt once the task is completely successfully completed. When will rewards be distributed? Rewards will be distributed to winner's Gate account within 14 working days after the event ends and can be viewed in wallet billing details. Users must complete identity verification before claiming rewards. Candy candles be accumulated for the next event. Candies are exclusive to each event and cannot be carried over the next one. Over here, we are going to check the details. Total price pool is, you know what? Okay, let's move here. Total price pool is 571,429. Participants 12,744. Event will end in 8 days and 20 hours. Registration opens 2025. Okay, never mind. As you guys can see, there's complete task to share 471,429 air prize pool. First features trade pool is 100,000 air, and individual share limit is 200 air. Estimated the prize pool has been fully claimed, which means I can't. Well, there's no way I can participate in this one. Check the estimated share on the page if you have one. Log in and participate. This one is completed. And we got the second one feature trading to share 157,943 ERA. Individual share limit is 300 ERA. Log in and participate. First, complete tasks. Tier 1 is our futures trading mission, over 30,000 USDT. Tier 2 era futures trading mission, over 50,000 USDT. Tier 3 is era futures trading mission, 80,000 USDT. wait, yeah. Okay, let's continue. Taiwan, yeah, as you can see, 30,000 USDT. Futures trading mission. One candy equals 65. Uh, and second tire is over 50,000 USDT. Three candies is 196,000. 163 candies. I mean, and third tire is over 80,000 USDT. Five candies, 327. Uh, but if you guys should trade. Let's continue. We got activity rules too. Okay, activity rules during the event, users with calculated futures trading volume above 30,000 USDT can earn receive candies up to maximum of 9 candies and share in the 157,143 prize pool. Futures trading volume equals open interest plus close interest. And we got spot trading to share 157,143 individual share limit is 300 mm, First one is spot trading task above 5,000 USDT. One, it will give you one candy, which means 38 error. And second tier is spot trading task. Three, it will give you three candies. This should be about 7,000 USDT. And third tier is above 10,000 USDT. It will give you 133 five candies. During the event, users achieving about 5,000 in air spot trading volume. So if an and closing position can earn up to 9 candies from the reward pool. And we got alpha trading share 157,143 error. First is login and can participate. Second is complete task. Task one is alpha trading task. One candy 17. Error. Task two is alpha trading task. Two candies 35. Will give you first one should be above 200 USDT and second one is 400 USDT. Okay. And during the event, users who trade Air token on Gate Alpha with a trading volume of about 200 USD will receive candies. Different candidate rewards are unlocked based on the tire reached. and a maximum 3 candies sharing a prize pool of 157,933. Alpha trading volume equals alpha buy volume plus alpha sell volume. Okay, let's check second last questions. Users participating in CandyDrop are required to complete identity verification and click the join button on the event page. Only after successfully joining will their activity data be counted. Market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. When will candies be distributed after completing tasks? Candy will be distributed within 1 to 3 hours after users complete tasks. Please log in and check the candies obtained from CandyDrop after 3 hours. The third one is what are the first spot and first futures trading tasks? Users who have never conducted any spot or future trading after joining Gate can claim these tasks by making their first spot futures trade of the specified token and reaching the calculated trading volume requirements during the event period. Users can complete the task and receive event rewards. Yeah, if you guys, well, these pools are really nice, especially the amount if 65 is like currently it's like $89. So you guys can complete these tasks and receive generous rewards. Oh what? Yeah, they're good. Let's check here, simple earn. You see, if you guys have, as you can see, APR is 499.32% flexible term. Okay, there's flexible term in 7 days. You guys can choose if you whatever you want. Okay, and let's check the website. Okay, let's continue. Now we are going to check their um website, Caldera's website. The Internet of Chains. Color is a network of interconnected purpose-built blockchains selling on Ethereum. Okay, the most powerful multi-chain ecosystem, explored ecosystem, it says. Total value locked over 1 billion. Total transactions are 550 million. Unique wallets are 70 million. And color chains over 75. Uh, yeah, whatever. More is more, go horizontal. The roll-up engine for massive apps. With the roll-up engine, apps and communities build their own fully customizable chains of color ready for massive scale. Mhm. Connected to the world via metal layer, connect your Caldera rollup to a constellation of chains with metal layer, access shared liquidity, enable cross-chain interactions, and reach users across the entire Caldera ecosystem and beyond. Bringing the world on chain. Gaming enables zero fee gameplay and instant cross-chain. Asset transfers, AI, okay. Build Web3 games that scale effortlessly on Caldera. Your players will draw fee, seamless performance, and the freedom to move assets across chains in seconds with Meta Layer. All secured by Ethereum, focus on fun, not friction. We got AI, plug and play infrastructure for scaling decentralized AI. Run decentralized AI workloads efficiently on Caldera or custom rollups provide the speed, privacy, and cost efficiency needed for training and deploying AI models and agents at scale, leveraging aggregator resources securely on Ethereum. DeFi power modular exchanges with cross-chain liquidity and KYC via MetaLayer. Build complaint, high-performance DeFi platforms on Caldera access deep cross-rollup liquidity and shared KYC processes using the MetaLayer delivers superior throughput and scale, all secured by Ethereum's proof of stake backbone. These are the news, not important. Community over 360k, X 270k, Discord and 110k Telegram. Backed by the best founders fund. Yeah, these are the, yeah, whatever. Deploy rollups in one click, launch Arbitrum Orbit, OP Bedrock, and ZK Sync rollups with Color's rollup engine. And yeah, everything you need. So thanks. Metal layer, the internet of chains are here. Metal layer connects developers, users, and liquidity across Ethereum ecosystem to a single powerful interface. And internet-based bridging for over 100 rollups, partnering with the best. Bridge assets effortlessly working with our partners. Metal layer finds the optimal path between chains for speed and cost. This simplifies liquidity and removes integration hurdles. Relay, hyperlane, echo, across. All-purpose connectivity layer settlement in seconds, not minutes, no matter the road. Leverage more meta layer for lightning fast message passing between all connector rollups in the Calder network on Ethereum. Build once, deploy everywhere. No interrogation headaches. No wallet. gardens, your app automatically benefits and interoperability technology evolves and improves. Gain new capabilities instantly with zero code changes or manual updates required from your team. Built for scale, available everywhere, automatically deployed on every Caldera chain from day zero. Open architecture works across Arbitrum One, Base Ethereum, Optimism, Mainnet, and Zk Sync era. Developer first, simple API, SDK, and UI components that abstract away complexity and hides the wires. Powering the next wave, MetaLayer enables more apps, bigger apps, horizontal apps, and next to be users. Launching Q2 2025. Yeah, we got Electric Docs. Okay, we got it. Okay, let's go, y'all. What is this? Caldera MetaLayer documentation. Cross-chain interoperability framework for rollups. Intro. Welcome to MetaLayer. Caldera's cross-chain interoperability framework designed to revolutionize how rollups interact with other chains. The MetaLayer provides a seamless, secure, and efficient platform for cross-chain operations. Why MetaLayer? The MetaLayer empowers developers and protocols to overcome the constraints of isolated blockchain ecosystems. Launch truly interoperable opera- operable chains. Deploy new Caldera rollups with the MetaLayer interoperability from day zero, or integrate a MetaLayer into your existing Caldera chain to instantly connect to a broader ecosystem. Build sophisticated cross-chain. The apps utilize the MetaLayer's developer toolkit to create applications that facilitate efficient communication and value transfer between rollups, regardless of their underlying stack. Access unified liquidity, tap into a growing network of shared liquidity, enabling more efficient markets and better user experiences for your application. Abstract complexity, focus on your core application logic and user experience while the meta layer handles the intricacies of cross-chain communication, optimal routing, and secure settlement. Request widget interrogation. Please fill out the Google form. Core concepts are intent engine. This engine simplifies complex operations, enabling fast asset onboarding and declarative execution across multiple chains. Massive passing is secure hyperlink-based message passing protocol supporting one-to-one message passing and many-to-one reads. We developed our messaging and settlement infrastructure in collaboration with industry leaders in that base. İmran Chat, hoş geldiniz. Merhaba, nasılsınız? We got low latency settlement with Hyperlane, enabling message passing in seconds. Interrogation paths, protocol interrogation, build protocols with Meta layer, TypeScript, SDK, React hooks for easy front-end interrogation, and widget SDK, embeddable Meta layer bridge. Ben de iyiyim, çok teşekkür ederim. Hoş geldiniz tekrardan. And we got arrow domains, leverage arrow domains for identity. Let's check the concepts. Ben de hoş buldum. Ben de hoş buldum. Sonradan sonra geldim. Onu da proje yayına denk geldim. Hiçbir sorun sorun değil. Ben de uzun süre yoktum. Projeler için yani sonradan başlamak zorunda kaldım. So concepts dive deeper into the meta layer, chains. Each blockchain network is identified by a unique chain number in the meta layer protocol. The chain identifier is used when specifying the destination chain for cross-chain messages. We got cross-chain operations, meta layer messaging operations. Meta layer messaging supports two types of cross-chain operation: writes and message and execute functions across chains, reads query data from contracts on other chains. We got the message components, destination domain, the target blockchain network, recipient address, the contract address that will receive the message, read operations, optional queries to execute on the other chains, write call data, the function call to execute on the destination chain, finality flag, whether to wait for source chain finality before delay. Okay, whatever. We got gas abstraction. MetaLayer handles cross-chain gas payments, allowing developers to pay for destination chain execution using the source chain's native token. System architecture, component architecture. The diagram below shows the main components of the MetaLayer system and how they interact. Is the So yeah, we got a message for whatever. Let's skip. Overview and architecture. The MetaLayer contains an end-to-end intense execution engine that enables fast asset onboarding and declarative cross-chain execution for rollups. intent-based cross-chain execution. The meta layer's intent-based execution engine is designed to streamline cross-chain interaction by allowing developers to specify higher level intents rather than low-level transactions. This approach simplifies the process of asset onboarding and cross-chain execution, providing several key benefits. And we got declarative execution. Developers can define what they want to achieve, the intent, without needing to specify how it should be executed across different chains. What? Oh Lord, come on. What? Never mind, let's continue. There's nothing I can do about it. Fast asset onboarding, the meta layer facilities a rapid integration of new asset into the cross-chain ecosystem, enabling developers to quickly expand their application's reach and functionality. Seamless interoperability by leveraging the middle layers infrastructure, intents can be executed across multiple chains with minimal friction, ensuring a smooth user experience and consistent performance. Security and reliability. The middle layer architecture is built on robust security protocols, ensuring the intents are executed safely and reliably across all supported chains. Flexibility and scalability. The system is designed to accommodate a wide range of use cases, can scale to meet demands of growing application and user bases. The Meta Layers Instance Engine is a powerful tool for developers looking to build sophisticated cross-chain applications, providing the infrastructure needed to execute complex operations with ease and confidence. It's the worst. Aggregation layer. The aggregation layer unifies access to our entire bridge network through API and UIs when developers submit requests through an API and SDK. The system broadcasts these intents to integrated bridges. Our code aggregator collects and compares responses, automatically selecting optimal routes based on cost, speed, and reliability in the metal layer bottom, better reducing costs for users in the top priority. Architecture is this. I don't know what to explain. Okay, here we are. Come. We got UI. You know what? It's- The third-party bridges are encouraged to utilize the metal layer to prove intent fulfillment across metal layer supported chains. This proving process is commonly called settlement and depends on sending a cross-chain message from a destination chain. Like in the source chain, in most implementations, the receipt of the cross-chain message is used to release bridge funds from escrow into the solver's wallet. Bridge developers often face issues when deploying on long tail or new chains because big message passing system often aren't available and have inconsistent security guarantees across deployments. The Metal Layer solves this problem by providing secure, reliable, and composable message passing system that's available on all Caldera chains. Intent protocols solvers are able to additionally specify finality requirements to their intents to be settled, which are enforced by the message passing layer. For example, Echo Roads has been modified to support Metal Layer. What is settlement layer? The settlement layer provides secure finality for cross-chain messages and intent execution in Metal Layer ecosystem. The settlement layer is the security backbone for cross-chain message passing and intent execution. It ensures reliable finality across chains and offers flexible security options tailored to various needs. Core components are message securely, utilizes interchain security modules for validation and security, employs a multi-sig finality mechanism to balance security and efficiency, providing a robust framework for message integrity. Intent settlement messages final execution after validation ensures autonomic settlement across chains, preventing partial execution states and maintaining consistency. Bridge integration integrates with native bridge protocols to optimize settlement paths for. Okay, never mind. Let's skip this one. Let's check interrogation. Yeah, let's continue interrogation. Integrate the meta layer. Connect your protocol or application with the meta layer. Integrate at the contract level. Use your TypeScript SDK or the widget SDK. You will find the tools and guides to get started quickly and confidently. Integration paths, protocol integration, build protocols with the meta layer, TypeScript, SDK, React hooks for easy front-end integration, widget SDK, embeddable meta layer bridge, widget for your D app, era domains, leverage era domains for identity. Integration requirements. Wait, you know what? Do we have here? Let's go with here. Quick start. Get started deploying a dedicated rollup hosted by Caldera testnet. Let's skip this one right here too. What are rollup? So rollups are a layer 2 scaling solution designed to enhance the scalability and efficiency of blockchain networks. In short, rollups are blockchains that rely on another layer 1 blockchain, especially Ethereum, for settlement. That's actually where they which explains while providing better scalability and performance guarantees compared to the underlying blockchain. Here's the breakdown. Modeling transactions. Rollups work by aggregating or rolling up multiple transactions into a singular transaction or a batch. So this process occurs on a separate layer 2 blockchain, which is a secondary framework built atop the primary layer 1 blockchain. Off-chain execution, the execution of transactions performed off-chain in rollups, thereby reducing the data that needs to be posted on the main blockchain. This is particularly beneficial in congested blockchain networks where the high volume of transactions can lead to slower processing times and higher fees. Posting to layer 1 once the transactions have been bundled and executed off-chain, a single transaction or a summary of the batch is posted to the main blockchain. This action retains the security features of the primary blockchain while significantly reducing the data load, as only the rolled up transaction is recorded on chain. Optimistic rollups, you can deploy Arbitrum Nitro or OP stack rollups via Caldera. Both of these stacks are optimistic rollups. The term optimistic rollups comes from the optimistic assumption that transactions within a rollup are valid in happy path where the rollup is acting honestly and no on-chain proof of correctness is required. However, if the rollup sequencer acts maliciously or errantly, a failed proof can be submitted to the layer 1 and prevent incorrect execution from occurring. Zero knowledge rollups, you can deploy ZK stack and Polygon SDK rollups via Caldera as well. Both of these stacks are zero knowledge, aka ZK rollups. In contrast to optimistic rollups, ZK rollup nodes must submit a validity proof for verification to update state. The validity proof is cryptographic assurance that the state change proposed by the rollup is reality the result of executing the given batch of transactions. This means that ZK rollups only need to provide validity proofs to finalize transactions on Ethereum instead of posting all transactions on data on chain like optimistic rollups. Solve your terminals, skip this. User facing tools. We got hub page. Other chains all come from shareable hub page for both internal and external use, which provides one unified place to access all essential user-facing tooling, including chain details, block explorer, bridge UI, testnet, faucet, and documentation. Next, block explorer Every Caldera chain comes equipped with a user-friendly block explorer that allows for easy viewing for important data such as address balance, transaction history, verified contracts, smart contract and code and execution, network statistics, mining information. Just search for an address, token, symbol, name, interaction, hash, or block number to retrieve the on-chain information you are looking for. Additionally, the block explored's theme and styling can also be customized through or integration with blocks code upon request to better fit the preferences of your users. The Explorer provides a valuable tool for both users and developers looking to better understand and interact with the blockchain. Providing transparency and accessibility to the inner workings of a blockchain, it can be used for a variety of purposes, such as tracking transactions, monitoring smart contract execution, and analyzing network activity. Yeah, I think that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's it.